Good morning, College G families. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. We're going to get started with our math activity with an I can statement before we jump into our mini lesson for today. Our I can statement for today is I can count pennies. Now, let's get started with our mini lesson for today's activity. Let's get started with going over the terms we're going to be using with our math activity. We have heads and we have tails. This is a penny head and this is a penny tail. Each penny is worth 1 cent, so we only count them as ones. Let's take the first example to figure out how to count. Over on my left, I have different pennies that I'm going to be counting. Underneath them, I'm going to put the number that I'm counting them at. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pennies. That means that this is worth 6 cents. So I'm going to take my last number 6, and then I'm going to draw the cent sign. The cent sign looks like a C with a line through it. Now I've solved my first problem. Let's take a look at the next problem. Remember, the first thing to do is simply to count my pennies, since they are only worth 1 cent. Let's get started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 pennies. That means I have 8 cents. So, on my line, I would write 8, and then my cent sign is the C with a line. Since pennies are the easiest form to count, we'll have some simple problems for today and tomorrow. Then we'll move into higher coins. Let's take a look at our problems for today. There are 3 problems we have. Problem number 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. Problem number 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. And problem number 3 has 1, 2 pennies. Your job is to figure out how many cents this is worth. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And as always, have a great day.